Because the Ministry of Health has created new protocols regarding coronavirus quarantine procedures and testing guidelines for travelers coming to the country. The ministry, in collaboration with the World Health Organization, will now conduct rapid diagnostic tests for passengers arriving at the Banjul International Airport with immediate effects. All travelers arriving at the airport will be tested to confirm their COVID-19 status before allowing them entry into the country. Nesise tells us more of that in this report.
The COVID-19 pandemic continues to pose challenges across the world, especially poorer countries like the Gambia with fragile health system. In its latest press release on Friday, the Ministry of Health has announced changes to the COVID-19 protocols, saying all passengers arriving at the airport will go through diagnostic COVID-19 tests.
Travelers coming from hotspot countries, as identified by the Ministry of Health, will now undergo a rapid COVID-19 test upon arrival at the airport, in addition to having a valid COVID-19 PCR test result of 72 hours. Those travelers whose rapid test results turn negative will be allowed to go home with the advice to report to the sample collection site in case of any signs of COVID-19.
According to the statement, travelers from hotspot countries including Italy, Belgium and France must provide a valid negative COVID-19 test within 72 hours.
All other travelers from non-hotspot countries shall provide a valid negative PCR test within 72 hours. Such passengers will be allowed to go home and advised to observe a 14-day self-monitored quarantine with a condition to report for testing when experiencing COVID-19 symptoms.
It could be recalled that since the reopening of airports and subsequent introduction of new COVID-19 protocols, such as mandatory provision of negative COVID-19 tests by travelers, the cost of the test has exponentially increased. A recently investigative documentary published by Mulligan appeared to show health officials providing fake COVID-19 test results for travelers with a cost of over $2,000. Some of the culprits are reported to have been arrested by the police. Currently, the Gambia has recorded 5,459 COVID-19 confirmed cases with 165 deaths. Reporting for iAfrica News, I am Nesise.
Gambia's Minister of Health updates, of course, COVID-19 protocols for intended travelers to Banjul.